A follow-up now to a 22 News I-Team investigation we brought you last month citing nursing home deficiencies. Tonight, 22 News I-Team reporter Laura Hutchinson goes inside a local facility to find out what challenges they face.
Last month, we discovered some disturbing deficiencies in some of our local nursing homes, so we took an even closer look to try to understand the bigger picture of what's going on. The 22 News I-Team recently read through state inspection reports of Western Massachusetts nursing homes and discovered a number of deficiencies. We found claims of over-medicating patients and moldy kitchens, but some administrators say the reports only paint a fraction of the story.
The statement of deficiencies don't show the A's. They only show the areas in which you were deficient. That's their job.
Kate Parker is the administrator at Chicopee's Birch Manor Nursing Center, which gets a 5-star rating from the state. She says all nursing facilities struggle because most of their residents are on Medicaid, which hardly covers costs.
It's $33 per day per patient less than what it takes to provide care here. So we are constantly struggling to provide quality care with minimal funding.
According to the Massachusetts Senior Care Association, more people require care as the baby boomer generation turns 65. And despite the constraints, spokesman Ernie Corrigan says most people are pleased with the care.
90% of people who have experienced care in a Massachusetts nursing home would recommend it highly to their friends and family.
The state conducts inspections every 9 to 15 months and grades facilities based on their findings. They're available for the public to see to help when choosing a home. Although Ludlow's Natalie Slosher says she had better success after stopping in for a visit.
We can get a lot of really good feelings from just visiting and talking to staff, that sort of thing. And this place seemed to be a perfect fit for us.
And I have attached a link to the state inspections and tips from Mass Senior Care to help you out when choosing a facility. It's on our website, wwlp.com. I'm Laura Hutchinson, working for you with the 22 News I-Team.